In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder your Etsy listings easily, whether you're looking to freshen up your shop's appearance or highlight certain products. Now, having your most appealing or best-selling items visible first can significantly enhance the shopping experience for your visitors, potentially leading to increased sales. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to Etsy. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in Etsy's URL. Once you're on the Etsy homepage, you'll want to access your shop manager. This is your command center for everything shop related on Etsy, so just click on your profile icon, which you can usually find in the top right corner of the page, and from there select Shop Manager from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look for the Listings section. This is where all of the products you have in your shop are displayed. You might notice that the order of these listings can sometimes need a little love. Now, depending on your setup and permissions on Etsy, you might have two options to reorder your listings. The first technique is using drag and drop if it's available to you. This is a really straightforward and visual way to rearrange the order. What you do is simply click and hold the listing you want to move. Once you've clicked and got a hold of it, you drag it up or down to your desired position and drop it there. It's intuitive and allows you to see exactly where each product will be listed in your shop. If drag and drop isn't an option for you, or you find that it doesn't suit your needs, don't worry. There's another method that involves editing the published dates of your listings. The position of your Etsy listings is initially determined by their published date, with the newest items at the top. By changing this date, you can effectively reorder your products. To do this, click on Edit for the listing you wish to move. You'll see different sections you can update, but what you're interested in is the published date information. Simply adjust this date to a more recent one to push the listing up inwards order. Conversely, you can set an earlier date for items that should appear further down. Make sure to save your changes after making any adjustments for the new order to take effect. And there you have it. Once you've rearranged your listings to your satisfaction, take a moment to preview how your shop looks from a buyer's perspective. This is important to ensure that everything appears just as you intended. Keep in mind that strategically organizing your listings can enhance your shop's accessibility and appeal to new visitors. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to get your Etsy shop looking just the way you want. By keeping your shop organized and visually engaging, you're likely to make a better first impression, which is always great for business. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below.